The first thing you're going to do is open a photo of your choice by going to File, Open, and then choosing a file and clicking Open. I chose one of my brother's senior photos for this tutorial. After you have that open, push Command J to have an unlocked layer to edit. Go ahead and click the magnetic lasso tool on the left hand side about 3 boxes down. Make sure it's the actual magnetic lasso tool by right clicking on it. After you've done that, you want to zoom in to get a better view of the object that you want to take out or crop and start clicking. Make sure to do it in a very precise way to the point that it's almost a perfect selection. If it draws a long line that you didn't want, it's easy to just push the delete button and it will go back to the previous click or selection you made.
Feeling jaded up, used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another.
Sometimes when I just want a straight across line, I will drag the mouse all the way to the side and push the delete button till it goes back to the previous selection that I want to create a completely straight line.
Trying to fix any issues with a bad. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Get white horse in a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me.
Once you're finished with your selections, the selected area turns into a moving dashed line to show you where you've selected. And you'll go ahead and push Command J to create another layer which crops out the part of the photo you didn't want. Click on the eyes next to the other layer so you can only see layer 2. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the brightness and contrast. After that, I'm going to go ahead and open a new photo that I want as the new background. Once that's open, go back to the previous photo and drag it into the other tab to the right. Put the photo in the wanted area and adjust the proportions. Once that's done, I'm going to adjust the brightness and contrast.
Let her roll it up, break it down like a punch, would never us. Would never us. That's the real on the real, are you serious? Are you feel?
I'm going to merge the photos by using Control and clicking on the layer tabs and right clicking then going down to merge layers. Clicking that and then the photos are merged and easier to edit. Once that's done, I'm going to zoom in to see the excess parts I didn't want selected by getting rid of them using the clone stamp tool. Go to the tab bar to the left and go down 9 boxes. Right click to make sure it's the correct tool. The tool works by clicking on the area of the photo that you want to replicate, or in this case I'm going to click on the sky by pushing the Option key and clicking on the excess part, getting rid of it. When using the clone stamp tool, make sure to get different varieties of the area wanted to make it more refined and natural.
Kicking to you, have some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. Don't care. You was just another on the hit list. Trying to fix any issues with a bad. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Get white horse in a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it.
Once all the errors are fixed and the photo looks great to you, go up to File, Save As, and name it, and in this case it would be PhotoShop Tutorial. Make sure it's sent to the desktop and that the format is a JPEG. Then click Save and then push OK to the JPEG options. And now your photo is finished and done.